Hello YouTubers, I'm going to show you today a raw video of me actually making a DIY cleaning product to clean the showers, the shower today. And actually you can clean anything with it, especially refrigerators. And even maybe floors with this solution, but I wouldn't really highly recommend it because you might add too much suds of Dawn liquid soap. But what I used to use, and you might have heard of it before, is Dawn liquid soap and just vinegar. Yes. So, Dawn liquid soap is also used. I think they pair it with vinegar, also with vinegar, to kill gnats. And you just sit it out in a cup and you just let the gnats, they buzz around and fly in there. So that's a healthy way to get rid of gnats. So I had a little bit left in my Miss Muir bottle, and I love to reuse these bottles. So as you can see, I'm doing a lot of cleaning up and what have you. And so I had bought a new microwave, for instance, and I'm putting my donations in there. I already had one sent out, as you already know, but it's been raining, so I'm waiting around next week. So when I get that box filled, I'll have it outside and ready when the garbage man comes, and I just put free on the box. But back to this, what I'll do is I'll add, see, the more vinegar you add, the more stronger it's going to be. So I reuse this bottle and I add some water in there. So I have the water in here, so I could just transfer it in there, not to use it, okay? So let's just add, maybe I'll just add, since this has a squirt top, let me tighten the top here. Let me pause this. Well, it's like fun time with water, huh? I'm gonna see how much water did it fill. That's probably a good amount, because I want a lot of vinegar in there. So you don't really have to have a good measurement. So as you can see, I buy a lot of these, and so some water wasted here. I can actually use this cloth again because I'm going to wipe down the refrigerator when I spray. So I'm going to start off cleaning my little mini refrigerator. And I got to clean my freezer and my, let's see here. Can I get it in there without a funnel? You can use a funnel, but if you're good at this like me, then you can do it. If you can. So I think I'm going to pour it up to there. Have enough room to put the Dawn liquid soap. This works like wonders. So it's very concentrated, as you can see. You can even clean your toilet with it, and it'll prevent from mildew coming around from the bottom. It's very safe to use. But if you're going to use cloths like this to clean your toilet, make sure you keep the cloth away from the purpose of what the other cloth is for, because you don't want to transfer germs. Okay, that's how you get sick. Make sure each thing is for the purpose for what it is. So when I scrub with this, I'm going to use something like this and just go